Hi, and welcome to this new video. Today I will show how to use Microsoft Office in a completely free and legal way. The only clarification to make is that you will need an internet connection to use it. Let's begin. First, go to your search engine. Search for Microsoft Office Login and select the first result. I leave the link of the site in description. Now click on Sign In. In order to log in, you will need your Microsoft account. If you don't have it, you need to create a new one. To create an account, click on Create One. To continue, you must enter either your phone number or your email to connect to a Microsoft account or create a new Microsoft account. I choose to link an existing email of mine. Then, enter the email. Create a password, verify your account by entering the code that was sent in the mail and complete the last steps. Done. Now you can use Microsoft Office completely free. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.